Okay, you're welcome back to this training. Okay, I don't know how much you guys have gone on the other video or the other tutorial we had prior this one. Okay, but I remember we stopped at how to use the copy.ai to generate our copies. Okay, like I told you, we are not totally generating content from within us. Okay, you can do that if you want. It's better, actually. It's better, but our target is how to get our blog running. So we need that swiftness. Okay, we need our blog to start running as fast as possible, so that the AdSense we can easily apply for the AdSense on it, so that we can start earning. All right, so the target here now is how to work with the copy.ai. Like I said, copy.ai is like AI actually means artificial intelligence. Okay, so it's a copy artificial intelligence where you put in some words, okay, maybe in sentence or anything, but if it's too short, it will not be, it will not capture what it has to capture. So it has to be long. So let's just get there and do something. All right, so I just clicked on back. I just clicked on create new project. So we are creating a new project. Remember, we already copied an article from copy.ai. Okay, we already did that, so it's that same copy we're gonna work on. All right, so now what is your project title? Okay, your project title, let's say the project title is what, how to generate copies from copy.ai. All right, so that is it. You can see that the website, relevant website, is optional. I usually don't use it, so I will just go out of it. I'll just create. All right, now they are saying we should do what? We should give description of our product. Right, we should give description of our product. What could be the description? Let's say description is usually use that. Let's use this one, describe. Now this place where you describe your product is where you put copy of what you want to rewrite. Okay, let's rewrite that. Let's go to, yes, this is the article we copied from design articles before now. Okay, so we're just gonna produce something like this. All right, we're just gonna produce something like this. Okay, we'll copy it, copy, then we go to yeah, come here, describe your product. You just put it there, you paste there. All right, paste there. Now if you look very well, look very well, this is what Grammarly does. This is Grammarly at work. Now you can see some underlines, you can see some underlines. Okay, Grammarly is telling you this, they have, the writer of that design article, what he or she has written there. This is how it will sound. That's for the first paragraph. Now this is how it will sound to the readers, which is we that are reading it. All right. If you look at that, you see that it doesn't sound well. Doesn't sound well. So this is what we do. First of all, let's correct these underlines. Okay, the spellings are wrong. That is what Grammarly is telling you now. That the spelling is wrong. So you try to correct those ones. Deficiency. You come to a deficiency. Okay, then you come here. You say pick. Where else? You come here. What else? You say okay. Grammarly is working on it. Grammarly is working on it. Okay. Grammarly has told you that for now, Grammarly has been able to work on the spellings. Alright, Grammarly has worked on the spelling, but you can see here that it doesn't sound good. Doesn't sound good. The sound to read that doesn't sound good. So let's just produce our copy and see what comes out. That's now creating copy. Okay, now this is what this artificial intelligence, which is the copy.ai, has given to us. Okay, based on what we already put on our description, what this copy.ai is doing, it's picking out the keywords, all right, relating it to the sentence in general, then generating a copy for us that will be good to use. So it's now left for us to select. All right, we have the options to choose. All right, so what is given here now, they are related to different stuff. Some are related to how cheap. Some are related to tickets. All right, they are all traveling. But what we are after is you see, this traveling doesn't always have to be a treasure. This one will go a long way because it also talks about airlines flights. Okay, so I will go with this. What you have to do is to copy it. All right, when we copy it, we'll come here. We Ctrl V, or you paste rather. You paste. All right, so it has replaced that first paragraph that we highlighted. All right, now we'll take the other paragraph. Remember, we stopped here earlier. Let's mark it. So let's come here. Okay, let's take this. Copy. You copy it. You come back to copy.ai. All right. This was the first one we pasted, so we have to replace it so that we generate another copy. So what you do again is that you paste. All right, after pasting, you will see that Grammarly has been able to pick out wrong spellings again for us, right? So what we have to do is also correct them. Structure should be structures. Off peak should be the off peak. Okay, then we come here. All right, we come there. We have the second paragraph from that design articles. All right, from that design articles. So what we'll now do, we'll now go ahead to, we'll still leave it on friendly, which is the tone, and then now we create our copy. Okay, I think the network is, let me reconnect it. Network is somehow. Okay, it's connected. All right, so we have, let's regenerate. Let's see what's up. So we just look and pick something that catches our mind based on what we are writing. Okay, based on what we are writing. Occasionally, a free flight can be caught during airline overbooking situation when they okay. This is just a sample though. If whatever you want to write is just I'm just showing you how to use it. All right, you paste. All right, you paste. Then now you know that only okay. Copy. All right, we come back to um, here. Copy.ai. All right. This is our box, text box. It's called text box. We post. All right. After pasting here, Grammarly will also do its job. You remember Grammarly? I told you it's already installed in my computer, so you will install yours too. All right, you install yours. So we just have to correct it. All right. Let's do the corrections. Let's do the corrections. Move. Let's do the corrections. Proceed. Let's do the correction. Do the correction. Alright. While you do your corrections, make sure you read through. Sometimes, these are robots, but they are not as intelligent as humans actually. Just that we just need something quick to get things running. But the best unique way to write is to write from within you. Then you use all this artificial intelligence to help yourself out. So I'm just exposing us to all this. It will help us a lot in blogging. All right. In fact, it's what I use for my blog. Now, don't need all that. So, but it's just work. We just work on it. We just work after working on it. All right. After working on it. Okay, let's create another copy. Let's see. Work on it. Let's see what we will get. Now, after getting that copy, let's replace it. Alright, let's replace it. You paste again. Okay, remember that. Let's assume we are done with. Let's assume we are done with everything. Alright, let's assume we are done with everything. Let's assume we are done with everything. Let's assume we are done with everything. Okay. So we are done with everything. Now, in as much as we are done with everything, like we have used our copy.ai to generate a copy, what we will now do is to visit another site that is called small SEO2. Okay, small SEO2.com. Okay, now this small SEO is also a website, just like we have the copy.ai and we have the Grammarly. Okay, these are the three stuff we use to generate this. A small SEO, it's a tool that is helping the writer to check for plagiarism. Like I said before, when you are uploading your content, you have to avoid plagiarism. In other words, you have to avoid repetition from other websites. It is wrong. All right, we shouldn't do that. So that is what the SEO, small SEO, does for us. It helps us to check if our line of sentence or our long lines of sentence combination, all right, has been used somewhere before. If it has been used, you will see it. All right, now this is more SEO. Let's use the plagiarism checker. All right, now this is plagiarism checker. All right, this is the box, this is the text box, this is the text box. So what we'll do now is we come to this our, this was the copy we generated from copy.ai. all right, so what we'll do, just copy, let's see if we can, let's copy all of them. What we are using is a free version, so we don't have to spend anything to do that. Now if you check, let's paste it here. Paste. Grammarly has shown up here too. See Grammarly here. Okay, Grammarly has shown up. All right, we are correcting, we are making some corrections now because of what Grammarly has told us. Okay, let's get down and see. Okay, this is how our writing now looks. All right, it has put a smile on our reader's face. All right, unlike the other one that is very heartbreaking. So you can see that Grammarly has done a good job for us. So what we'll just do, in as much as we have corrected the grammar, we will just go to this check plagiarism now. We'll just check it. Okay, then we check. So it's checking now. All right, so you can see ads everywhere just ads. So these are the sentences now. You can see around there, you can see the robot is working on it. You can see unique. This unique means that we have succeeded in creating our copy without it having another replacement somewhere. It's not connected by sentence to any website or stuff. Okay, you can now see plagiarize here. You see it's plagiarized. We'll have to work on this. All right, we'll have to work on this. So let it be done. When it's done, we'll see other stuff if it has another line of plagiarism. All right, so it's still working. It's still working. When you're working with these things, you have to have a good network. All right, network have to be good so that everything can go well. All right, it's still working. Okay, it's done. All right, so you can see unique except here. All right, now if you click this compare, it will take you to where this line is. Let's go. Let's see where it will take us. Let's see where it will take us. All right, this is where it has taken us. Now you will discover that we actually copied from eSign articles. In other words, that person that dropped that article in that eSign article, right, copied from this place. All right, that's why it's taking us to this place now. Okay, so like I was saying, the author of that article, okay, actually copied from this place. That is why it has brought us to this place. So but what we just have to do is to rewrite this place. Okay, we just have to, let's copy here, let's copy here, copy, then we come here, come to this place, all right, which is the document we are working on that we are supposed to post. Okay, this is it. Now you use Control F. Control F will mean to find. Okay, we will now paste what we copied. All right, we will now next. When you next, you see it will select straight to where that line is. So what we just have to do is to rewrite it. All right, is to rewrite it. Okay. Okay. Good. We are good to go. 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 So what we have here, what we have here, let's go back to copy. Okay. So in other words, we are done with that. We are done with this. We are done with this. Okay, let's recopy it and take to. Let's recopy it, all of them. Let's take it to our small SEO2. All right. We have to start over again here. All right. We have to start again. Where is our checker? It's our checker. But you just have to also pay attention to what it's giving to you. If not, it will just give something wrong, and it is assumed that your writing is you. Yeah, so if you don't write well, if your writing comes out bad, it means you are a bad writer. Okay, so that's where you have to be careful. That's where you have to be careful. It's generating our copy now. Green. You can see we have all green. We have all green. This simply means that we have succeeded in. This simply means that we have succeeded in creating a copy. Okay. Copy. Now let's come to our word again. So what we just have to do now is to copy this. In as much as everything is now showing unique, we just have to copy this and take it to our blog. Okay, take it to our blog. Take it to our blog. So this is the back end. This is the back end of our blog. This is the back end where we can post this one. All right. Let's add new post. Let's add new post. Okay. Now this article that we copied now. This article that we copied. All right. Where is it? This article that we copied from here. This one will not copy it. After copying, we'll come to where we are supposed to add our post. All right, you can see it. All right, it's showing unique. All right, good write up. Okay, it's short, but just a write. Okay, so then let's see. Let's give it enough space. This space are where Google AdSense we use. Give it a space. Google AdSense can use. Some space. Okay, so it's fine. So here it's good. We are good to go. We are good to go. If you like, you can increase you can bold it. You can change the color, but it's good to be black. All right, it's good. So this is it. Now image. Let's feature image. Let's add media. You can add media. What media do you want to add? Travel. But what we have there is about travel. So you go to, let's use Pixabay. Alright, pixabay.com. Let's search for travel. Travel around the world. Alright, let's search. Let's see what image we've got. Okay, okay, so it's a free one. It's a free one. These are free ones. Save image. These are free ones. Okay, now we have it. Now we'll now go back to here. We'll now upload. That was on the download. Let's go back to reset, quick access. Okay, this is it. Okay, let's open it. Okay, we'll now use what? Use it as well. We use it as featured photo. Set as featured photo. Okay. So I now publish. Okay. Before we publish, let's use let's target the title travel around the world. Okay, travel around the world. Guys, then we have to choose our categories, not on health. Let's use on travel and tour. Now update travel and tour. Now update categories and all that. So this is it. It's all good. It's all good to go. So if you come to your website, you see it. You come to your website, you will see it. Let's come to yeah. This is it. You now see. Okay, this is it. This is just it. This was what we were working on now. It has appeared, and if you see, it was launched today. Alright, okay. So if you go through, you will see a lot of the write-up. So it's that easy. It's that easy. So I thank you. Okay, for this is just a way of posting on our web blog. Okay, so thank you very much once more. I'll see you in our next class.